Christine inside the starting gate. And they're Opa. All in front is second by Quick Play, Miss Bubona. And moving up, Stormbreaker, now the outside, running by the Willie Sophia's Fortuna. Quick Play, followed by Stormbreaker, Miss Bobon, Cyclops, moving up, Easter Hope, around the outside now is exciting. And inside the last 600, Quick Play, leading by half a length, followed by Stormbreaker. And moving up, Easter Hope, not the outside, third, moving up, Miss Bobon, exciting. And entry number 1, Sophia's Fortuna. Towards the final turn, it is still Quick Play, followed by Easter Hope. This Bobon, exciting, Stormbreaker as they hit the final turn. With Quick Play, leading by some 3 lengths now. Easter Hope, Miss Bobon, Sophia's Fortune, exciting, Manpower. And finally, it's Quick Play. Easter Hope, Miss Bobon, Sophia's Fortune, Manpower, exciting, and Stormbreaker.
Yun nga pala, Super 6. Yan,
Kasi pumasok yung ones dun sa... Alright, 2139759.